We now arrive at elastic layouts. Elastic layouts are a bit more complex than fixed width layouts or liquid layouts. While not totally fixed in width, they are prevented from getting too wide because you can specify the maximum and minimum widths in pixels, ems, or percentages. The great benefit with elastic layouts is that they can scale or resize when the text is resized. Elastic layouts are a bit beyond the scope of this tutorial, but if you want to learn more, this article here by Patrick Griffith is a great place to start on his website, alistapart.com/articles/elastic. Notice that he starts off this article here by saying it can be difficult to move from a static pixel-based design approach to an elastic relative method, and then goes on to describe how you set up elastic layouts and how they're related to elastic text, the problems with using em measurements, and other advantages to using elastic layouts when you adjust the size of your fonts. That takes us to variable fixed width types of layouts. You can use scripts like JavaScript to assess the width of the browser window and then change the CSS of a page as a result to create what some are calling variable fixed width layouts. In these layouts, widths change to accommodate the user's browser window size. If it's wide enough, it'll accommodate fixed width, such as 3 columns, but if it's smaller, the third columns will be placed under another column. Now, scripting is beyond the scope of this course, but again, if you are curious, here's an article where you can start learning more about variable fixed width layouts. http://clagnet.com/blog/1663. Here you'll read about a variety of websites that are using this technique, such as the Rosenfeld Media website, the Mint website, UX Magazine, and then this example here, the Clagnet example based on Simon Collison's code. Also are provided here some non-JavaScript examples of variable fixed width layouts. Here the article explores similar ways of creating these layouts using CSS alone, essentially by combining floats with a min width value. So there's a link here to some more information about using this technique. In this section, I've reviewed some of the possibilities you have available to you when laying out your pages with CSS. Before wrapping up this section of the tutorial covering CSS, let's move on to the next movie so I can provide tips for creating, applying, and working your CSS styles, including a review of your options for creating your first CSS-based layouts.